Hey folks, Shawn Plummer over at the Annuity Expert. In today's video, we're going to be answering the question, can freelancers buy annuities? The answer is yeah, that's not an issue at all. What you would do is one of two things. Three things. You could open up a traditional IRA annuity, and you have to follow the traditional IRA rules and contribution limits. A Roth IRA annuity, same deal, and then a non-qualified annuity. With the Roth IRA annuity and the traditional IRA annuity, you're going to have whatever the IRS annual contribution limits are. You can do a SEP IRA annuity too if you wanted to, but you're withheld within the contribution limits and the rules of the IRS. So just know that. If you do some reasons why you would do that with the traditional IRA, it could be a tax deduction for you. Roth IRA, you follow the rules, you get tax-free income in the future, tax-free growth, etc. SEP could be a deduction there. And then you've got this whole other category of non-qualified annuities, and there's several different types of non-qualified annuities you can do for freelancers. There's no contribution limits. It's funded with after-tax money, and the gains will be taxed if you do any sort of tax deferral. If you're a freelancer and you want income now, let's say because you're looking for some sort of safety net to protect your business and your cash flow coming in for the rest of your life, you could do that too. You just buy a life-based, it's either a life only or a life with period certain SPIA, okay? And then it will give you an income for the rest of your life with a little bit of guarantees, but it'll help you get that income and still avoid the 10% IRS early withdrawal penalty you'll get like you would on a traditional IRA, Roth IRA, or SEP IRA, okay? What else? You could, if you don't want the income now as a safety net, you could put money away like a personal pension plan. So you could contribute as much or as little as you want with a non-qualified deferred income annuity or fixed index annuity or fixed annuity or variable annuity with a guaranteed lifetime withdrawal benefit. And the benefit of doing that is you could figure out today, you could reverse engineer today how much it would take and how long it would take to get your desired retirement income in the future, which is huge. You can't do that with any other vehicle. So I'm 45 years old. If I put money away into an annuity, I can know exactly how much how much premium I need to put into an annuity today to generate $100,000 a year at age 62 or 63 or 64, 65. And there's no guesswork. It's all contractually guaranteed future income, right? So as a freelancer, annuities are fantastic. I think if you have an up and down business in the freelancing world and you have the opportunity to invest a large sum of money and you want to just protect yourself and stabilize the income and avoid the ups and downs of clients coming in and clients going out, buying a SPIA is not a bad idea. Annuities are paying the highest payout rates since the 1990s. So like 25, 30 years, they haven't been paying this high. So to answer your question, yes, freelancers can buy annuities. Got any questions or you need a quote, you can always come to our website and you can use our calculator. You can do it anonymously, or you can contact us directly and we'll give you a free quote. No cost, no obligation, no pressure. And we'll catch you on the next video. See ya.